Welcome to eLearningBoom.com. Like our videos and subscribe our channel.
Hey Dubbers, welcome to Basic Microsoft Excel 2016 Tutorials with eLearningBoom.com. Chapter 7, Modifying Columns, Rows, and Cells, Part 1. By default, every row and column of a new workbook is set to the same height and width. Excel allows you to modify column width and row height in different ways, including wrapping text and merging cells. How to modify column width. In shown example, column B is too narrow to display all of the content in these cells. We can make all of this content visible by changing the width of column B. To increase width of column, position the mouse over the column line in the column heading so the cursor becomes a double arrow. Click and drag the mouse to increase or decrease the column width. Release the mouse. The column width will be changed. In case of numerical data, the cell will display hash signs. If the column is too narrow, simply increase the column width to make the data visible. How to auto-fit column width. The auto-fit feature will allow you to set a column's width to fit its content automatically. Position the mouse over the column line in the column heading so the cursor becomes a double arrow. Double-click the mouse. The column width will be changed automatically to fit the content. You can also auto-fit the width for several columns at the same time. Simply select the columns you want to auto-fit. Then select the Auto-Fit Column Width command from the Format drop-down menu on the Home tab. This method can also be used for row height. How to modify row height. Position the cursor over the row line so the cursor becomes a double arrow. Click and drag the mouse to increase or decrease the row height. Release the mouse. The height of the selected row will be changed. To modify all rows or columns. Instead of resizing rows and columns individually, you can modify the height and width of every row and column at the same time. This method allows you to set a uniform size for every row and column in your worksheet. In our example, we will set a uniform row height. Locate and click the Select All button just below the name box to select every cell in the worksheet. Position the mouse over a row line so the cursor becomes a double arrow. Click and drag the mouse to increase or decrease the row height, then release the mouse when you are satisfied. The row height will be changed for the entire worksheet.